Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. It doesn't matter if it's a special occasion, an event, or simply an everyday meal, you know that having a salad is a good thing. It's healthy and helps our body function. During the holidays, there's one that I like to serve because it has all the ingredients that are on the shelves right now. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my shaved Brussels sprouts salad. This is such a fast salad to make, which is perfect for the holidays when time can be quite challenging. With fresh and healthy ingredients, this is a recipe that your guests will really enjoy. So my friends, let's get cooking. We'll go ahead and toast the walnuts. So in a small skillet over medium heat, we'll add the nuts and toss often until we start smelling them. You can do it in the oven, but frankly, it takes only 5 minutes on the stovetop. Why toasting walnuts or any other nuts? Well, besides making them crunchier, it intensifies the nutty flavor. Can you skip this step? Absolutely, but why? You're improving the texture and flavor of the walnuts. When they're done, we'll transfer to a plate to cool off. Now, let's move on to the Brussels sprouts. If you have a food processor, this is the time to use it. With the slicing disc on, we'll add the prepared sprouts through the feeding tube, and you'll see it goes so fast. If you don't have this appliance, unfortunately, you'll have to do it by hand, and that takes time. We're at the beginning of December, so it's not too late to put a food processor on your wish list for Santa. Come on now. See, it took me 1 minute to shave 1 pound of Brussels sprouts. Not bad, right? Next step, we'll look after the apple. After coring and cubing it, we'll pour in some lemon juice and toss the cubes around, making sure they're well coated. This will prevent the apple pieces from turning brown. All right, let's assemble the salad. We'll transfer the shaved sprouts to a large salad bowl. If there are some bigger pieces here and there, simply slice them by hand. Then some finely chopped white onions, but you can substitute shallots or red onions, followed by pomegranate seeds. And if you don't know how to seed this fruit without making your kitchen look like a murder scene, click on the link located at the top right corner of your screen. We'll also add our apple cubes, our toasted walnuts that we did earlier, and finally, Grana Padano cheese. But you can use blue cheese, Gruyere, Parmigiano Reggiano, and so on. We'll toss until the ingredients are well mixed and serve immediately. And my friends, this is our shaved Brussels sprouts salad. Quick and easy to make, this is a festive salad to serve anytime, but more so during the holidays. With a tasty combination of ingredients, this healthy recipe is a great one to pair with my pomegranate molasses dressing. Yum. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!